This week's portion, BeHa'alotcha, contains the only prayer found in the entire Torah. We might be surprised by that, thinking about prayer today and how central a role it has in Jewish tradition. The prayer book for Shabbat, the prayer book for high holidays, even a weekday prayer book, is filled with beautiful sentiments about responding to God's role in creation, our relationship to God, and the covenant of the people of Israel with God, and other sections from the Bible. Yet, if we look at the Torah carefully, we'll note that really the only prayer is found in this week's portion. Certainly there are many times in which the conversations between people and God are recounted in the Torah. We have God's conversation with Abraham, with Isaac, with Jacob. We have Moses asking God for forgiveness, but none of them is written in a form of a prayer as we know it. In this week's portion, BeHa'alotcha, we find near the end of the portion this curious incident in which Moses' siblings, Miriam and Aaron, are talking amongst themselves about Moses' wife, Tzipporah. They described Tzipporah as this foreign woman, and as a result of their gossiping, Miriam, not Aaron, Miriam is afflicted with some strange skin rash that looks like leprosy. She is afflicted in this way for a week, needs to be isolated from the community. Moses says 5 words in Hebrew that sound beautiful and poetic, and the English doesn't do it justice. El na refa na la. Please, God, heal her, please. That plaintive cry has been transformed in modern times with melody into a beautiful prayer, and it is recorded as well in aspects of it are recorded in the daily Amidah, the daily prayer that we recite 3 times a day in the healing prayer. And so with these 5 words, with this beautiful poetry, Moses prays to God and then serves not only for that historical context for praying for his sister, but to serve as a model for us of how we can respond in times of grief and times of anxiety with these beautiful words to help us seek answer and guidance in life. Shabbat Shalom.